Hi guys, welcome to Bridgerton Investments. So Reliance crashed heavily today. Ahead of its Q4 meeting. Q4, which is I think under I think they're publishing the results around Jan 16. So tomorrow I'll be making more detailed video about what I expect from Reliance from this quarter. Quarterly earnings are back, baby. So let's go ahead with what's happening with market right now, because now it's in a kind of like what do I say, we will start to hear a bit of a news. Right now market is like forming a lower high, higher lower highs, higher lows and higher highs. So we are starting to see that. So what is happening with the market? Tomorrow we will get more news about Trump's tariff. As of right now, there is 77% chance that Trump will rule out this tariff. Supreme. I'll just open it in my. Yeah, there is uh, there is 77% chance that Trump will cancel its. The Supreme Court will cancel its tariff. If that happens, if that happens, voila, market will be on insane bull run. They would be forced to give out every single rupee which they have earned from the uh, this whatever revenue they have earned from the tariff, like 150 billion, and this would impact. US would enter into a very bad debt crisis. Right now it's scenario in US is like this. It's just Trump versus everyone. Even it's like a civil war in so capital right now. It's like a civil war in capital. Like there is no good news forming with tariff. There's more uncertainty. I thought 2026, there would be some good news about tariff, that even with US markets is crashing so bad. Even US markets has been a not been in a good downturn. It's not been in a good bullish mode in 2026. But Trump's tariff is causing a lot of uncertainty to global markets. It's so more benefit on the US side. Like there is the reason why Nifty hasn't been performing that well, because India has lost its negotiation power. Clear cut answer at this. There is no uncertainty about tariff. There's more and more uncertainty about tariff. There is no like good news from tariff coming, etc. So what we want right now is good news about tariff. Then only we can see some big jump up right now. Good bull run in Nifty, and I can stop taking short positions. you know like read this thing. Remember, Nifty wants only one good news about tariff. If tariff gets slashed 70 the 75% of happening, like as per poly market, which I just mentioned, Trump will be forced to return all the money from tariff to the tariff country, and Nifty will shoot up like rocket. Market will be and as get ready, especially for IT and pharma. So my Merchants Pharma stock, who has I think around 56 56% market share in US, will gain more traction. We'll see a good run for about it during this. If Trump's tariff works out, if Supreme Court cancels Trump's tariff completely, there would we could see a very good chance of a bull run happening. Market will be on market would be on insane growth if that happens. However, we also have to take other side. You know, also have to look at other side. Trump can say something to lure American citizen in. He can say, "I'm giving out 2,000 dividend to every American," so they don't see how important tariff is for the country. Trump, that is how he can lure America in, and can get all Americans into saying, we want this tariff, we want this tariff, we want this tariff. So this can also be happening, but 70% chance that Trump is there's 77% chance that Trump will cancel the tariff. So Supreme Court, because relationship with other countries is also in tarnish. U.S. wants is known for its relationship, how other countries are dependent with U.S. So U.S. need other countries. Without it, U.S. will not survive any way. But also, I'm sure you might have heard this news that India is Iran is placing more tariff. Sorry, U.S. is placing more tariff on Iran, and that is why, and Iran is one of the top trading partners of Iran. So India will be in more threatenable to more tariff as well, but it's at least better than 500% tariff. So 500% tariff, it's at least better than that. So we would see what is happening with tariff news right now. We would see what's happening with tariff right now, because there is more uncertainty. Like if we say tomorrow we may get some news either I just had to remember another note. If Supreme Court's if remember if SC supports Trump's tariff, what what India threatening to Iran, if any country does business with Iran, uh, eh, they will be tariff 25%. Market will crash. Market will crash, and Iran is one of the top trading partners of India. Also, get ready for rupee depreciating even more. So that is also another scenario where we have to see that Trump's tariff playing even more bad role, because Iran is one of India's top trading partner, and India also buys oil from Iran. So US will not like that, considering how of a fragile relationship is with Iran. So I'm very excited for what's happening. We hope, all grace on God, we hope see market, we hope see Supreme Court cancels the tariff, and we see rocket market going valhalla. I hope that happens. So that's it from me today. Please like the video, subscribe, and I'll see you in tomorrow's video.